Dude! Not too bad, not too bad. Hey! Oh, there we go. Not too bad, mate. Alright guys, we're on our way over to a mate of mine what are we doing?
Bend and exhaust.
To bend and exhaust. Say hi, Trunk. Sir Chunketh at the wheel in the trunk mobile. One of many, yes.
Don't put your hand on that wheel, that's all.
What?
Don't put your hand on that
Wheel? I can smell that.
What?
Brake sticking.
Yeah.
I can smell that. That's bloody warm.
It's a wee bit bad. It's good we've got another couch to go on. More space.
We have one exhaust.
Yeah.
Right, we've just got to our mate's house. He's brilliant with a welder. Some pretty cool stuff here. Stumps.
That'll be the one.
Is it? Is that where you want the bend?
Oh no.
No.
Not quite. Yeah, that's where it is. Somewhere there.
It's going to be a weird in between, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it going to be for the side exit?
Yeah.
Yes. Side exit on a TD5.
TD5.
Slightly too big or slightly too small? What's your choice?
Too big.
Too big?
We'll go big or go out. At the end of the day, it's 30 quid, so.
Oh yes.
It's worth a try. If it folds it,
30 quid?
Yeah. That's all that was.
Brand new?
Yeah.
30 quid brand new for a straight
Cruddocks?
No. eBay?
Really?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, I'm going to make a new exhaust for my camper van. I might just buy a disco one. Make it fit. This is the worst pipe bender you'll ever use.
Well, he should have said.
What should I have said?
Brought a torch from me. But then again, you'd probably end up with your shed on fire, to be honest.
Oh, a blowtorch?
Yeah.
What, just to heat the pipe up? Yeah. I thought you'd have that, Mark.
I've only got this shitty one. It doesn't get it very hot.
Watching the clock and the sky.
You've got everything in here, mate.
I've got a regular blowtorch though. Got everything but.
If the rolls come now and
Put a bit of heat into it.
straight away, there's a problem with rocket trucks. Bumper moves into action.
There you go. Somewhere around there.
Yeah, somewhere there. It's about right. It's a bit right.
It's only a few inches different.
No, you got that roller as well.
Speed roller.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bought it on my old camper van. It had shitloads of windows in.
Yeah.
So I was going to get some big alley panels, bead roll them and take out a couple of windows to do like more cabinets inside, and then I sold the van. So I think again, so I'm like, I managed to do like the drip tray for the engine stand, just so I could use it.
Yeah.
It was like 220 quid well spent. Is it about there? I'll push it back in a bit more.
Yeah, it's about there.
About there?
About there, yeah. Anywhere around there now, dude.
Well, you've got the right angle anyway.
Is it a funny angle, Tom?
Let's see if she'll move. Oh, cat's in.
Churchill Home Insurance. Spices, afternoons on Quest. Mike Brewer is off to buy a Mercedes from a German called Jürgen. It's a continental trip for the wheel of wheels next, right here on Quest. While over on D-Max.
It's starting to flatten. So you need shitloads of heat. All the right size former.
As it's
So that's the downside to having a fucking former too big. It lets it spread out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about put the low one in?
So try and wedge it in. Yeah. And you'll be alright. If it hadn't already like fattened out so much. It's just folding over the top of it.
No worries then, dude.
Wonder if I've got an elbow that size.
Thinking cutting and welding it. If you've got an elbow.
If I've got an elbow that size, then the problem is because you want it like a 90. Pipe bender's alright if you want like a 4-degree bend.
4 degrees fine.
Yeah, 4 degrees is about where you max.
Ooh. That's
He's got proper reading, haven't
micrometer, mate.
56 mil. Let's have a look on the pipe shelf.
Haha. Ooh. Lovely. You okay, chum? All the parts.
So the flooring's down there.
Oh, it's fucked.
Another bike.
Yeah, where's all the rest of them though? We've only got 2 in here.
There's another one out the door.
Is it?
You might get that over.
Yeah, sleeve it.
So yeah, so you can basically like
Try it if you want.
hammer the ends in, sleever it.
Yeah.
It's a weird 90, but it's kind of a 90.
Yeah.
We thank Mark for hoarding.
Right. So, I need to stop it.
I have to hoard nothing I own. You can buy parts for it. You have to build everything.
Mark,
Yeah.
where did you find this Red Bull bottle?
Oh, from Germany.
From Germany.
Yeah. That's why I kept it. I was amazed by it.
There you
Oh,
go.
that's really cool.
If you want a Red Bull bottle, go to Germany. Apparently.
Yeah, it would have been Germany.
I've to be like that next time I go to the ring.
I
never saw it. When I was in
That was
Germany.
just in like a services as well.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Because I remember when I came back, I know Taz and all them lot were going.
Yeah.
They were like going over to the ring like the week after.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah,
I was with
that's
Taz.
what
Yeah,
you were.
yeah. Me and Taz went. Yeah.
Right,
John's just come back from the ring.
Yeah.
How hot was it when you went over?
It was alright.
God, it was
nice.
unbearable when we came through.
Really?
It's nice.
We were in a 40-year-old van though.
Yeah, but they had no aircon or anything.
And it was a big straight 6 diesel, but the engine's in the cab. So hot.
I know that. Trying to breathe.
Yeah, she did me well, that van.
Which van was that? Your T4?
No, Mark 1 LT. I
No.
don't know if you saw it knocking about. It was NATO green with camo and big knobblies and a roof rack.
No, sorry.
Oh, she was a beast.
How about his eyes?
Was. Couldn't sell that either. Had to like pay someone to take it away.
Really? What? How about is that absolute dead cool?
Bending it didn't work, so now we're going to cut it and weld it.
Is that 90 enough for you?
You're from England? I am from England.
That's pretty damn 90.
Yeah. I'll make it 90. Yeah, well, I'll chop it there.
Yeah.
That's where the 90's got a bit joined onto. Yeah, slide over that. Melted.
I'm just thinking like
Slide over
it's
the
a bit
melted duct
reduced
tape.
there.
Yeah,
So you could get it on that bit.
that's what I mean. Sleeve it. Like, and then
How
put
long
that-
does that bit need to be though?
Not very long at all. So it's got to be.
Yeah, it's not very far.
So if you cut it sort of there and then just after the weld, so
Yeah.
it'll slide inside.
Yep. I'll do. The whole
Why
way.
have you got long way down stickers on your disco? They never used a disco.
I know, but still.
Who's long way down?
Long way down.
Yeah.
Basically, it's Charlie Borman and Ewan McGregor. They
What do I know
travel.
that now?
Ewan McGregor, he's Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
That's how I know. That's how I know.
He's
All right. Sheesh. Get that on film. Not that old.
him and a guy called Charlie Borman. They travel around the world on motorcycles.
Ah.
They go from London. They do the long way round and the long way down. They go from London to New York, the long way round.
Yeah.
And then from John O'Groats down to Cape Town.
I think I might have seen that. I think I might have seen the one from top to bottom.
Top to bottom. Yeah.
I think I might have seen that
the
one.
other one's better. The long way round better. In my opinion, anyway. That's my opinion. Obviously, you guys might argue with that.
Seems to be holding. What's that?
New welding.
Oh. Beautiful.
In fairness, this thing is about 40 years old.
Yeah. Thing is out.
I didn't buy it, I just stole it off Phil, man. Too neat, but it'll do the job.
Yeah, but still, it's better than my welding.
It's the only good bit.
The only good
Got
bit.
a good 2 inch.
I'll get the good bit in. I'll get the good bit in.
Good 2 inches is better than nothing.
So you ended up with 7 kids, wasn't it?
6. Everyone says 7. I don't know where some kids come from. I don't want to know where some kids come from.
Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you next time.